In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best welding clamps you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools, performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welding clamps in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Strong Hand Tools Magnetic Butt Welding Clamps. If you're into auto bodywork, welding fabrication, or any sort of metal panel alignment, the Strong Hand Tools Magnetic Butt Welding Clamps 2-pack MPC12 are an absolute game changer. These compact, cleverly designed clamps are purpose-built for one-job perfect edge-to-edge alignment, and they do it incredibly well. What stands out right away is how the magnetic design eliminates the awkward dance of trying to align panels while managing bulky traditional clamps. The magnets are strong enough to hold panels in place securely, yet easy to reposition when needed. This makes setup super fast and saves time when you're doing multiple tack welds or adjusting the fit. Whether you're working on a butt joint for patch panels in auto body repair or fabricating new steel panels for a custom job, the MPC12 clamps help you achieve consistent, flush alignment. You can position them quickly, tack your welds with confidence, and move on no fighting spring clamps or vice grips. Each clamp has a low-profile design, so it doesn't get in the way when you're running your weld bead. They're especially helpful when working in tight spaces, like undercarriages or engine bays. The internal copper backing plate between the panels acts as a heat sink and reduces burn-through, which is an unexpected but welcome benefit when working with thinner gauge sheet metal. Our second best welding clamps is Hobart C Locking Welder's Clamp. If you're doing any kind of welding or metal fabrication, having a solid, reliable clamp is non-negotiable, and the Hobart 770115 C Locking Pliers Welder's Clamp delivers just that. Where the Hobart clamp really shines is its locking mechanism. Once it's clamped down, it does not budge. The pressure is distributed well across the jaws, and the adjustable tension screw lets you dial in exactly how tight you want the grip. It's a lifesaver when tacking pieces together, especially if you're working solo and need a third hand. The release lever is smooth and responsive, making it easy to reposition without wrestling with the tool. I've had cheaper locking pliers seize up after some heat exposure, not the case here. Even after extended welding sessions, the action remains smooth. One of the first things you'll notice is how solid and rugged the clamp feels in your hand. Hobart is known for their welding gear, and this clamp is no exception. The forged steel construction gives it a good bit of weight and a sense of durability. The finish is clean and holds up well under heat, sparks, and workshop grime. The clamp opens wide enough to handle a variety of materials. I've used it on both flat sheet metal and square tubing with ease. The C shape allows access to tight or awkward angles, which is particularly handy when working inside frames or when you need to clamp from a distance to avoid obstructions. Third pick in our list is YESWELDER Magnetic Welding Holder. If you're into welding or metalworking, having reliable positioning tools can make all the difference in your workflow. Each magnet in this set offers up to 50 pounds of holding power, and in practice, they really hold up. Whether you're working with steel sheets, square tubing, or odd-shaped metal components, these magnets lock pieces in place securely, allowing you to weld or tack with both hands free. This makes them incredibly helpful for setting up angles, particularly when working solo. These welding holders are shaped in the traditional arrowhead design, giving you multiple fixed angle options including 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees for holding metal pieces in position. The versatility here is a game changer, especially when working on frames, gates, or brackets where alignment is key. The magnets themselves are housed in a solid steel shell that feels robust and ready for repeated shop use. They don't chip easily, and the red coating provides a bit of protection from sparks and spatter. That said, it's smart to avoid direct weld contact with the magnets, since the heat could affect their strength over time. Another bonus, they're easy to clean off. Magnets have a tendency to attract metal shavings, and these are no exception. But thanks to the flat surfaces and durable finish, a quick wipe gets them back in action without much fuss. Number 4 in our side is Magswitch magnetic welding ground base clamp. If you're tired of struggling with traditional ground clamps that slip, spark inconsistently, or just don't stay put, the Magswitch 300 amp magnetic welding ground clamp model 81000746 might be exactly what your welding setup needs. The clamp can be used on flat or round surfaces, including pipes, beams, or panels, which adds serious versatility to your welding toolkit. The wide grounding surface also reduces arcing and sparking at the contact point, and users report a noticeable improvement in arc stability. Another bonus is that the Magswitch ground clamp reduces wear and tear on your welding leads and eliminates the need to constantly clamp onto your workpiece using bulky mechanical clamps. The simplicity of attaching it magnetically allows for faster setup and repositioning. The standout feature here is, unsurprisingly, the magnet with switchable on-off control. When the magnet is turned off, the clamp easily detaches from any ferrous surface, preventing you from having to pry or slide it off awkwardly like many permanent magnet clamps. Turn the switch on, and the magnetic force locks the base down with impressive strength. This feature not only adds safety, but also speeds up your workflow by making repositioning painless. Its strong magnetic hold and on-off control make it easy to use and remove without hassle. Last in our best welding clamps list is Spurtar welding clamps. If you're looking to make your welding projects more precise, efficient, and hands-free, the Spurtar welding magnet set, 6 pieces, is an absolute game changer. With a combination of 75 pounds, 50 pounds, and 25 pounds magnetic holders, this set offers a range of holding power for various tasks and the built-in angles of 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees. 135 degrees give you flexibility across different welding setups. Each magnet is encased in a durable, powder-coated steel shell that resists rust, sparks, and splatter. The bright red color is not only classic for welding magnets, but also highly visible, making it easy to spot and reposition. However, it's worth noting that these magnets are not switchable, so they can attract metal shavings easily. Cleaning them before and after each job is a must to maintain optimal performance. This set includes 6 magnets in 3 different weight capacities, which is incredibly useful depending on the size and weight of your metal pieces. The 75-pound magnets are excellent for heavier gauge material and provide a firm hold that won't budge mid-weld.